Welcome to the ALGO-CRM feature playlist. In this video, we will see IndiaMART utility. First, we will start from the company page where we need to select a company. I am selecting Arihant Solution 2. Now we are on the dashboard of ALGO-CRM. To link IndiaMART with ALGO-CRM, we will use this utility. For this, go to the left menu panel, click on Administration, and then select Plugin Registration. This feature is accessible only to the owner or co-owner. Here, you will see the IndiaMART utility option, which is currently inactive. To activate it, I will click on IndiaMART utility and a form will open. In this form, we need to enter the executive details. The executive created here will be used only for managing IndiaMART integrations and won't be visible in the executive master. Now, I will create the executive. In the executive name field, I will enter IndiaMART. In the department field, I will select sales from the drop-down. Next, in the role field, I will choose HOD. And in the reports to field, I will select the person this executive will report to here. I am selecting Anjali Jain. Now, I will click on Generate API Credentials. After submitting, it will redirect to the IndiaMART utility configuration page, and a message will appear. Configuration successful. Save these credentials securely. Here, we will get the API key and Webhook URL, which we need to provide to the IndiaMART team. Using this API, any enquiry created in IndiaMART will automatically be displayed in ALGO-CRM. Now, I will close the configuration. After this, the IndiaMART utility option will be displayed as active. Through IndiaMART, we can create only enquiry records in ALGO-CRM. Since the field names in IndiaMART and ALGO-CRM may differ, we will now understand how the field mapping is configured between them. For this, we will go to the left menu panel, click on Administration, then select Configuration, and after that click on Integration Mapping. On the left side, in the Integration Mapping menu, we will see two options, Google Lead Mapping and IndiaMART Mapping. From these options, I will select IndiaMART Mapping. On the right side, we will see all the fields. Here, we will understand how the mapping is done between IndiaMART and ALGO-CRM. We will go through each field one by one and see how it is linked in ALGO-CRM, starting from the first field. In IndiaMART, the sender name field is mapped to the contact person field in ALGO-CRM. The second field is sender email, which is mapped to the email field in the contact form. Sender mobile is linked with the phone number field in the contact form. Sender address is mapped to address line 1 in the contact form of ALGO-CRM. Sender city is linked with the city field, and sender state is mapped to the state field. Sender pin code is mapped to the pin code field. Sender country ISO is mapped to the country field in the contact person form. Sender company is mapped to the organization field in the contact master form. Sender mobile alt is mapped to the WhatsApp number field in the contact form. All the above fields are used for creating the contact person in ALGO-CRM. Now moving to the enquiry fields. The subject field is mapped to the enquiry description field in the enquiry ticket form. The query time field is mapped to the received date field. The query type field is mapped to the category field in the enquiry ticket form. Next, the query message field is mapped to the remarks field in the enquiry ticket form. Finally, the query product name field is mapped to the product list in the enquiry ticket form. These are all the required fields used for creating an enquiry ticket in ALGO-CRM. This integration ensures that all enquiries from IndiaMART are automatically captured in ALGO-CRM without any manual effort. With proper field mapping, contact details and enquiry information are accurately recorded in the system. Overall, this helps in saving time and ensuring that no enquiry is missed, making the entire lead management process more efficient and streamlined. Thank you.